Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we'll be talking about the user management functionalities within DAC6pro. Let's dive right in. Within DAC6pro, we have implemented user management functionalities to ensure users only have access to pages, actions, and data they are supposed to. New users added to the tool will not have access to anything until roles or user rights are assigned to them. This gives you full control over users and their permissions within the tool. The user admin, who has the necessary privileges, can add and remove users or assign roles to them. This can be done through the user management pop-up, accessible from the menu in the top right corner of the screen. In the user management pop-up, you will see a list of all the users already added to the tool. You have filter options, such as filtering by role or client access, and a search bar to quickly find specific users you want to change. The user admin can add new users by clicking the Add User button. Then they enter their email address in the designated area. This user will then automatically receive an email and can follow the steps to log into the DAC6pro tool. The user admin can also remove users by selecting the Delete option. Additionally, the user admin can assign or modify user roles individually by clicking on the arrow icon next to the users. This will show you a drop-down menu with all the roles and which are active or inactive for this user. Simply click on the role you want to assign or deassign to the user. The roles we have within the tool are the user admin, a role which can manage users within the tool, as I am showing you right now. The client admin, a role which is responsible for managing clients within DAC6pro and assign users per client. The arrangement admin, responsible for managing all arrangements within the client they have access to. They can also manage per arrangement who has access and the type of access per user. So they can set users as preparer, reviewer, viewer, or owner of an arrangement. Then you have the arrangement creator. Compared to the arrangement admin, the arrangement creator can only add new arrangements to the system. They cannot edit or delete them once they are not owner of that arrangement. Lastly, we have the arrangement reporter. This user can go to the page's reportable arrangement and generate files to report to the tax authorities. It is important to note that changes made to the user roles, or users specifically, are saved only when you click the Save Changes button. If you close the window without saving, all the changes will be lost. And there you have it. You now have a good understanding of the user management capabilities within DAC6pro. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to the support team. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.